Economical Pet Insurance Canada app. The pros, the cons. The Economical Pet Insurance Canada app is designed for pet owners who want simple, fast, and convenient access to their pet policies. Many assume it's just a digital policy viewer, but it allows claim submission, premium management, and real-time coverage tracking. On the pro side, the app provides instant access to policy details, including accident, illness, and optional wellness coverage. Filing a claim is easy. You can upload vet bills, photos, and supporting documents directly through the app. Premium payments are simple to manage, with reminders and full billing history. Push notifications keep you informed about claim updates, policy changes, and upcoming payments. The app also supports multiple pets under one account, making it convenient for multi-pet households. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, requiring internet access for most features. Some users report slower performance when viewing older claims or detailed policy documents. The app lacks advanced features like cost calculators, wellness trackers for multi-policy comparisons, which may be a drawback for some pet owners. In conclusion, the Economical Pet Insurance Canada app is a reliable and user-friendly tool for managing pet coverage. While it doesn't offer advanced planning features, it excels in claims handling, premium tracking, and policy monitoring. For Canadian pet owners, this app provides convenience, clarity, and peace of mind.